You're gonna cough once and then blow up my undivided guts. I can't choke myself to death. This is exactly what I meant. Signing off my watching your readers. Now I watch microwave heaters. Bitch, I'm going broke like 2 sets with blown up mics. Then I'm trying to catch Marshall, that graduate knows masters. Then I'm trying to rape Lieutenant. Oh shit, somebody just shot him after that was him. What did Kanye's son get on his card? He looks like a fetus now. Change the banter. And if 9 plus 10 equals 21, then I guess I might try to bring myself laughter. No morals on this master, no shit. Nobody actually likes me, so they have to try to beat rappers. I've been on crazy shit. People know nothing about how I train for boxing and no wrist cutting. I've been supplying words for redheads. Run on sentence there. He sees some shit that's basically dead. I've been going through a pair. So if he was bored enough to become a sleeping bag, grow old with me. Then you could leave the truck doing nothing, you fag. I'm the one and only true. Then you're gonna cough once, and then blow up my uninvited guts. I can't choke myself to death. This is exactly what I meant.